Dear students, we will be starting with preparation and dispensing of 5 gram of ORS, which is also known as oral rehydration salt. The official formula is for 20 gram and we will be preparing 5 gram only. And the formula for official which is sodium chloride 2.6 gram, glucose 13 gram, potassium chloride 1.5 gram, trisodium citrate dihydrate which is 2.9 gram, and we will be preparing for 5 gram. Hence, using a simple stoichiometric ratio, it will give 0.65 gram of NaCl, 3.25 gram glucose, 0.37 gram of potassium chloride and 0.725 gram of trisodium citrate dihydrate. Now we will be moving on to the weighing part. I will just show one weighing, as this weighing of all the material will make the video longer. Just fold the sides of the butter paper, take a clean butter paper every time you weigh different material and just place it on the weighing balance pan and then make sure that the weighing balance is clean. Now tear the butter paper. After that, start with sodium chloride. This is sodium chloride, as you can see. The sodium chloride amount we need to weigh 0.65 gram, which is a very small quantity. Hence, be very cautious while weighing such less quantity. If you have put little more, just remove the excess quantity and you can see now the amount is exactly 0.65 gram. For users like you all who are very not much aware of this, they can weigh little more, but for us it is okay. Then transfer the powder into a mortar pestle, and just like the geometric dilution, we will be mixing all other powders. I have already weighed all the material and transferred it into a mortar pestle. Now this mortar pestle is used to triturate. The main use of trituration is to mix the powders well and to break the larger particles into smaller ones. If the larger particles are there, then it will settle down and this may be a problem. So in order to have a uniform particle size, we triturate the powder and likewise we transfer it to a pouch. This kind of pouch, and just like dusting powder, we transfer it to an envelope made from a simple paper with ORS written on the top, and this formula is from WHO, therefore it is mandatory to mention WHO. Then the ingredients are mentioned on this side, the storage condition, the ORS. If you want to name it, then you can name it something else, but the ORS word should be there. Then it is for internal use. The powder, this is a powder for internal use, so it is mandatory to write for internal use only. Then the manufacturing license number, any number you will be giving it, just for practice you will write it down. Batch number, the manufacturing date. The date you perform the experiment will be the manufacturing date, and the date of expiry will be 1 year from the date of manufacturing. This is not for consumption, and hence this is not undergoing any kind of stability, but just for practice and as a part of your experiment we will be writing it down, and then we will be writing it by manufactured by, and one of your seniors have already performed and they have written their names. According to the label you have made here, the faculty will be awarding you with some grade and will be mentioned on the packet. Thank you.